Good morning. Welcome again to Morning Devotions. Thank you again so much for our time together. I want us to come back to Proverbs chapter 31 today and tomorrow to look at some beautiful characteristics of the ideal Christian wife. Verse 20, she opens her hands to the poor and she reaches out her hands to the needy. I want you to notice that a wonderful Christian wife is not a Danya who has everybody serving her while she sits back in her chair while they do her fingers and her toes and wash her hair for her. That's not a great Christian wife. Now, there's nothing wrong with that. But here's the ideal. A woman who opens her hands to the poor. In other words, she has access to funds and food, and she opens her hands to them. She doesn't clench her fist. And she reaches out her hands to the needy. She doesn't just make people come to her. She goes after them. Now, ladies, this is the desire in your heart. This is how God made you on your insides. Don't let the world intimidate you into thinking that somehow serving the poor diminishes you. I just don't understand this modern Christianity that thinks that getting dirty and helping the poor somehow diminishes you. It does not. If Jesus can get down and wash the excrement off the feet of his disciples to serve them, ladies, you and I can go out and serve the poor. So I want to challenge you, ladies. Don't let people, make you so concerned about being a donya that you don't have a servant's heart. And not just giving somebody else's money, but you open your own hand. And you don't just send somebody, you reach out your hand. This is something that you do. You help the poor.